Carrots for Landowners. O ka poe e ai ana I ka loa'a o ka aina, he lohe o lelo walea'id no I kaua o Hawai'i. Those who eat of the product of the land merely hear of the rains in Hawai'i. Said of absentee landowners who reap the gain, but know nothing of the difficulties in the land where the toilers work. Walk the loop. If landowners are incentivized to craft feasible, long-term agreements that support food system resiliency, farmers and other food system enterprises will be viable due to the ability to get loans and make investments for the long term. If food system organizations are more viable, capital is generated of all types, including social, financial, and physical. For many enterprises and programs, access to AINA is the first step at building holistic health, wealth, and happiness, or vai-vai. With the generation of capital, landowners see the benefits of a growing local economy around food systems and are further incentivized to set up even more long-term agreements with food system enterprises and programs.